How to change WhatsApp background on Android. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to change the WhatsApp background on Android device. Watch the video till the end, and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. Launch WhatsApp application on a device. Make sure to log into your account. Now from the chat section, you have to choose the particular chat where you want to change the chat background on. Once you have opened, select the three dots at top right corner of the screen and choose Wallpaper option. Once you reach on Custom Wallpaper section, you will see the different options of wallpaper like bright, dark, solid colors, or you can also choose from your gallery and you can choose the default wallpaper as well. For now, let us choose the bright one, and you can easily scroll down and select any wallpaper of your choice. Once you have chosen, tap on OK button and download the wallpaper. This is the preview of the wallpaper. You can tap Set Wallpaper button and then the wallpaper has successfully set. In this way, you can easily change any background on WhatsApp on your Android device. That's all for today. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.